this shake is going to be a salted caramel with chocolate chips and coffee in the bottom. So for those coffee lovers out there. We use a 24-ounce cup. It's about 2 ounces of water when it settles. So we use the pralines for our salted caramel. So 2 scoops of that. Vanilla PDM. I do 1 scoop of our gluten-free, dairy-free, and it's our collagen scoop. We reuse stuff. And then this one is so simple.
And that was chocolate chip?
Chocolate chips. We use Enjoy Life, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt.
Any particular kind of coffee?
I use Nescafe instant coffee.
Okay.
If you like your coffee sweetened, just do a pump of sweetener. And we do put some caramel drizzle on the cup. And then because it's got chocolate chips, we do chocolate too.